everyone, welcome. My name is Erin Cobb. I am a partner here at the immigration law firm of Kriezelman Burton Associates here in Chicago, Illinois. Every day I meet with people in my office who are new to the immigration universe, and they quickly run into a lot of phrases and terms that they haven't encountered before. So we started this web series to kind of help with that and let people know what some of these specialized immigration terms mean. First up, what is adjustment of status? This is a common one that you'll see in a lot of places. In some ways, it's exactly like it sounds. First, status is obviously your status in the United States, whether you're a student, a visitor, an H-1B, a refugee, or an asylee. Then adjust. It's just like what it sounds. Literally, you are adjusting or changing your status from one to another. But specifically, the act of adjusting from a temporary status to a permanent one, meaning a green card or lawful permanent resident status. We use the phrase adjustment of status for every kind of green card application within the United States. A refugee or asylee here in the US who applies for a green card, an employee who applies for a green card through a petition by an employer, a visitor or a visitor who overstays who applies through a family member, a person with no valid status who applies through a family member, or a crime victim or victim of trafficking who applies through their U or T visa, to give a few examples. So if you are within the United States, and importantly, if you complete the entire process within the United States, you are adjusting your status. Now, there are some who cannot apply for adjustment of status and instead consular process. So if you have started your process, but you have to complete it outside of the United States, you are not adjusting your status. Instead, you are consular processing. Now, I am a former English as a second language teacher, so I can't help but resist giving you some verb forms for the phrase adjustment of status. You could say, I am applying for adjustment of status, I applied to adjust my status, I adjusted my status. We abbreviate it AOS in writing, but usually we don't say AOS, just adjustment. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Check out more of our videos on information and explanations of immigration law.